Hey, thanks for coming back to visit the channel. Got another DaVinci Resolve upgrade tip this time. Actually going to 20.2 on openSUSE Tumbleweed. I've never actually done an upgrade video for DaVinci Resolve, always just installs. I had a regular viewer of my videos like, well, can you explain how to upgrade DaVinci Resolve? Super easy. It's actually a lot easier to upgrade than install, basically because you've done all the prereqs already. So let's knock this one out really quick and show you how to upgrade DaVinci Resolve on Tumbleweed or Slowroll. I use both Tumbleweed and Slowroll for my daily drivers. So here you go. So it's going to be the same way once you've done your prereqs on your first install. So what we're going to do is just do sudo skip package tech equals 1 and then your DaVinci Resolve name, and it'll just launch. Just hit yes, and it's going to copy all the libs, the plugins, everything new for the 20.2 or whatever the version is right now that you're upgrading to. Should be the same. I don't think they'll change anything until anything major until version 21. So that'll be in 2026 most likely, the way they've been upgrading. I've actually been doing a lot of great upgrades in the 20. Once you get to installing, what I did was, right here is I just tried to launch DaVinci Resolve, not thinking they'd change anything in the op directory, but obviously they did because I got a failure which I didn't record. It popped up on another screen, or didn't pop up actually, it just didn't launch. So had to go in and just see if the libs were there, and yeah, the ones that they provide by default were in there. You have to remove those libs. Tumbleweed is a rolling release. They don't provide the latest greatest. They just do whatever Red Hat does. So I had to go in there and it deleted my disabled directory. I like to keep things around. I'm a kleptomaniac, I guess. I don't know, but need to go in there and just create your disabled directory in the op resolve folder. So I just create underscore disabled, and then what you do is you move libs from the op resolve folder into that disabled folder. Once that is done, then you can launch DaVinci Resolve, which is what happened. Super simple. So it does process changes for your older videos. So I went in here and just picked Podman Quadlet and open it up, and it's gonna convert that. So it takes a little bit longer on your first opening of old videos, which I generally don't do. But yeah, let's see what it does. So it took, I don't know, 30-45 seconds to bring the video up because it's converting in the background. But once that was done, boom, it pops up. It's one of my old Podman Quadlets. I plan on doing more. I really don't like Quadlets at all. It just didn't work most of the time for me. I use Cockpit just to make all my Podman packages run. But as you can see, I kind of think that the picture was looking better in 20.2 than it did on 20. I did not do 20.1 DaVinci Resolve. Just didn't see a need for it, but 20.2 has a lot more features. A lot more AI features, I guess. So I just want to play around with them. I've looked around and have seen other people's videos of DaVinci Resolve 20.1. So, the upgrade was super easy. And I'll leave what I did in the comments below. Thank you. Please subscribe, and we will see you later for the next video. Thank you. Bye.